coach too. I'm really excited about this project.
The Kenya Teachers Colleges Games entered her home stretch on Thursday as track and field events took center stage. The games are used to bolster unity among teachers training colleges as well as act as a conveyor belt for talents in grassroots areas.
And chukua ushindi for adults. Men, ashukuru.
Mbio ijakuwa mbaya, imenipeleka vizuri sana. Na ndio ufaulu kwa mbio ni lazima ufanye mazoezi ya kutosha.
This year we were hosting the national championships, athletics and pole games. We did host pole games successfully at Asumbi Teachers Training College, and this is our last event that we are hosting here.